Next up, at the Mounds of Madness for Artisan. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to investigate 4 different murals, or 3 murals and a statue at Banpar. This is super simple and it hasn't changed too much from the past season, but essentially there's 3 different places you need to go and a statue just afterwards. This I'd recommend you do clockwise, so start at the bottom of the town from the second landing zone and run up to this first point over here. You'll find a shed with a little candle outside, investigate it, and boom, you're done. Then head further west. You'll find the second one just up here next to the warehouse, the third one just over here, and finally heading further east following the sand road until it eventually ends, you'll find this over here. This is the statue. Even though it doesn't look much like a statue, on the inside is the statue. Just investigate and boom, you're done with this as well. That's it. Head back to spawn, hand in the quest, and you're done. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.